Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer session. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create charts in MS Excel. But first, what is a chart? Chart is actually a graphical representation of the data. You can create a chart to compare the data, view the patterns and the trends, and to understand your data easily. So let's start creating the chart. We just go to the Excel. I have already created a worksheet there. You can see here is the student names and their scores in different subjects. We just create a chart upon to compare the scores of different students. We just select the data. Before creating the chart, you have to select the data. Then you can go to the insert. Here is the chart group. You can click on the arrow and you can see the different charts here. You can select the one chart and now you can click on OK. Your chart is here. Okay. The chart title, you can change it by double clicking on it, and you can chart title means the name for the heading for your chart. I can give it cycle test 2 performance. Or we can do it instead of cycle test term 1. Okay. Now we can change the pattern of our pie chart like this, with the names किसका क्या portion है, or with this is very messy, so we can do this also. Okay, we can write it like this. And the term 1 title ko we can do a little bit small font size. Okay, so that it would be easy for us to understand it. If you don't understand the pie chart, how we are comparing the values in this, then you can change the style also through the chart tools. Whenever you create a chart, the chart tools will be open here. You can go to the chart tools and you can change the chart type in the column chart so that it will be easy for you to understand. You can take this. Okay. Here is the values. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा subjects को कम करके लूंगी, then it will be easy for understand it. I just create a chart again here. I just delete it. We just take two subjects so that it will be easy for you guys to understand about how we can compare values in the charts. We can go to it. We can column chart. Okay. This is the chart for two subjects. Okay, now we can change the style. We want the values on it. Here it is. Akshay's code 77 and 75, Pooja's code 74, 76, Rahul 70, 72. Who is on the highest? You can see here the Sanjay is on the highest. This area where his chart is created is known as the plot area. This is known as the plot area. Where the name is written, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Now we will learn to change the format. We just go to the format and we can change the colors from here also. Okay, this is different combination of the colors given here. You can choose any one of them. Okay, add chart element. We click here and we just click on legends. Okay, legends on the right side. We can close from here so that we can see what's going on in our chart. Our legends, ये series 1 series 2 जिसमें हम marks ले रहे हैं, it comes in the right side. अगर मैं इसको legends को bottom पे कर दूंगी तो ये नीचे आ जाएंगे, and top पे by default ही थे ये, okay? और अगर हमें नहीं चाहिए हो तो हम remove भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, on the left side, I have taken it to the left side. Okay, access title, you can add here student name. Okay, now we can add this access title for the vertical also. Here is marks. Right, where we are writing. I have to write here. Select it completely, then write marks code. Okay, now it's easy to understand. I think it's really easy to understand. We just change the colors. Okay, you can change the color from anywhere. You can change from the series color. You can change from the uh, change color option. You can change from anywhere. Okay, now this is how to change the color. You can change it fill color. We just select the one, and fill color means solid fill. We can change red into green. Okay, we can do it from anywhere. It's our option. We can change it, and we can change it anytime. Okay, these are the different patterns. We can see it as we want to show. We can do that. Okay, these are the different designs which we can apply to our chart. So hope you got my point. How to create a chart? Everyone got this? So meet you in the next session. This is your project which is given in your book on the page 72. You can also try it at your home, in the phone also, and if you have the laptop or the desktop, it's very good. You can try it. Okay. Meet you in the next session. Till then, bye everyone. Stay safe.